Photo I picked the perfect one.
You're ridiculous.
Tell another guy you know that would do this for you, my heart. Exactly. No one's like me. You should choose me.
How much did that shirt cost you?
I'm a dirty Mexican. She doesn't want to fuck with me, dude. This is some fucking bullshit. I'm done with this shit. Fuck you, Bree, you dumb fucking.
I'm feeling some type of way.
Why is it like shock absorbent?
They call me icy cause I'm cold as shit. She asked what side I'm from the six. I'm not from Brampton, bitch.
Nah, it's like fan art.
Damn, they didn't get me 5K, but where my follow at?
Something? You see your eyes, come up close. Good.
Force and bark. Fuck that shit for Drake. I'm at a black
W Green.
To talk to your girl, what would you do?
How the fuck I got views now? Shout out to OJ.
I will fuck you up, bitch. I will fuck you up.
Fucking W. You guys are awesome, chat. I fucking love you, chat. This is why I stream, bro. This is literally why I fucking stream. Chat, we go. You're obsessed with me. Live with. Delusional, it's delusional. It's in your mind. It's confusing, yo. It's confusing, yo. Your time. Oh, chat. You're obsessed with me. Yo. Chat. W's in the chat. Yo, spam out the W's, yo. Spam out the W's. Chat, we rocking with it or what? Chat, so as you can see, I got a new shirt. We gotta switch that song. P. Diddy's crazy work. Yo, should I call her? Let me call her real quick. Chat, let me call her real quick. I gotta call her, chat. We're calling her. Let's see if she answers, bro. Please answer, please. Chat, we need her to answer, please. Bro, please. Please answer. Please answer, please. Please. She added me? Say on God she added you. Why the fuck did she add you? Why the fuck did she add you? What the fuck? This girl's ain't loyal, bro. Is she in the fucking server? Let me see if she's a Mystic server. Hold on, let me join, bro. Is she in here? No, I don't fucking see her. I'm not gonna spoil it, bro. I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm not gonna spoil it. Oh, let me talk to these guys, though.
Oh,
is Shay Lou here?
Good try.
Is Shay Lou here?
Do you see her here?
Fuck!
Hello, IC.
What up, DirectorICY?
Guys, what's up? Car, hey. Hey, guys.
What?
Oh, nah, what the? Hold on.
That's
hold on.
crazy. Yo.
Yeah, I had to tell. Bro, why the fuck did she add you back? What the fuck? Bro. Wait. Do you have my profile pic? Oh my god, you have my profile. Milker, she probably thinks you're me. Milker, she probably thinks you're me. What the fuck? Oh my god, you fuckhead. Fuck you. Anyways, chat. Wait, she just sent me a DM. I see why I'm at work. Call me back, you dumb bitch. Call me back. Bro, where the fuck is this chick, bro? Why is she not answering? Bro, I like it when she calls me icy, bro. Kind of like, yo, it kind of touches my heart a little. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's Friday night. She is not at work. I know she's out clubbing, bro. Oh my god. Dude. Bro. Take a break from clubbing for 2 seconds, bro. Fuck. Yeah, who works on a Friday night, chat? Like, literally, bro. Bro, what a cat, bro. I can't believe she just lies to my face, bro. I bet she giggles when she lies to me. Bro, why is she not picking up the phone? Oh my gosh, Shay, I love you. Shay, I just... Oh, shit. Jasmine's typing. Aw, Jasmine. Did you just call me? Bunny? Did you just try calling me? Oh my god.
Do not redeem.
Do not redeem? Wait, someone redeemed? Jasmine? Hello?
I called you because I was trying to help you, idiot. Hello?
Aw, Pookie.
You called her fucking bunny.
Oh my god, here we go.
Emma, come in your belly.
Yes, I called her Bunny. Like, what do you always want me to do? Jasmine, I miss you.
I miss you.
Oh, I thought you were calling me to say hi or something. I was like so happy. I was like, what?
Me to call you to say hi. I can call you to say hi.
Oh my god, babes, please.
God.
We told you not to fuck call her.
Yo, you excited for LA? It's gonna be lit.
If we can watch ice.
Oh my god. Are you gonna be too excited and be shy?
Okay, dude. Well, I'm obviously gonna be a little shy in the beginning, and then I'll probably warm up.
Chat, he's gonna be shy.
Oh my god, yo, don't
He's
make
gonna
it
be like
weird.
starstruck. I'm gonna turn around and he's gonna be like, oh.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's gonna be crazy meeting like all these people, like even Milker. I've never met Milker in real life.
I'm excited to meet Milker. If I still have my macaw when fucking Milker comes, he's coming to my house. And
Well,
I'm gonna be like, see this bird? You need to take her with you.
He's a virgin, and I know you like white guys, so yo.
Oh, I'm not trying to date another white person. I want to date a brown.
No way you flirting with her
No way
with
you're
my
flirting
face
with
on
her
your
with my
shirt.
face on you all.
Shay Lou, I'm not.
Ally's still on the
I'm not.
cafeteria.
Hold on, my heart. Do you mind if I call you back real quick?
Gosh, bye.
Oh, I love you. Oh, okay, hold on, chat. Oh my god, chat, Shaylu called me. Chat, Shaylu called me. She called me. She called me. No way. She called me, chat. She called me. Oh my god, she called me, chat.
Getting boring.
Hi, Shaylu.
Hello.
Copy I always try.
Hey.
Why did you get a shirt with my face on it?
There's a shirt with your face on it?
It's getting
Stand
messy.
up. Stand up. Right now.
There's no way she's ordering me around.
Stand up.
Getting
There's no
messy.
way she's ordering me around, chat.
Good boy.
Bro, fuck you.
So yeah, that's insane.
Wait, did you even read it? Wait, what does it say? You should read
It
it.
says, Shay Lou, I love you. I had like 3 people send me it on Snapchat.
Oh my god, you look so beautiful tonight. How's work?
It was really good.
Yeah, so do you fuck with the new merch?
But there's no way that's your merch.
I'm gonna farm you so
No
much.
fucking way.
Bro, that's the new merch.
Cap only the W.
Oh my god, do you like the photo I picked? I just picked the perfect one.
You're ridiculous.
Tell another guy you know that would do this for you, my heart. Exactly! No one's like me! You should choose me!
How much did that shirt cost you?
It's a hot penny. Let's not talk about it.
Still Shay Lou from you.
I feel like you were scrolling through like
We should find
Timu
10 people who
and you saw create your own shirt and the first thing you thought was of that. Like, no way.
Yo, this chick actually knows me, chat. She loves me. I'm telling you, she loves me.
OMG, she's so thirsty.
Oh my god, you look so pretty, even just like coming out of work. Oh my god. Oh my god. I just wanna kiss your cheek, you know what I mean? And call you a good girl. Oh my god. I won't call you my queen. Queen. I like the name of that.
That's fine. You can say that.
My queen!
Icy, do you have autism?
Alright. You're done.
No! So, when do you come in, LA?
LA? You aren't even from LA. You're from fucking Canada.
Canada's crazy work, dude. Yeah, when do you come to Toronto, though? For real. Let me show you around.
Never.
Why?
Why would I want to go to Toronto?
So I could just take you out to this, like, fine Lebanese shop that I know and, like, treat you out to some nice Arabic food, you know what I'm saying?
Can you afford that?
There's no way, chat. She just asked me that. Do you know who you're talking to? Like,
I know exactly who I'm talking to.
yeah, she just got $300.
$300.
Wait, did you got $300? What the fuck?
Broke bitch indie.
Oh, they're
Wait,
saying
what?
he got. Oh no, never mind. I read that wrong. Oh my god, do you just
Oh,
always
you
get
got $300? Send me 50.
What the fuck? For what? You haven't even done anything.
You have my fucking name, my face, and my name on your fucking shirt right now.
I love you, Shayla. I love you.
I haven't even answered your call in like a week or two.
Yeah, what the fuck? What is up with that, by the way? Why the fuck aren't you? Why are you ignoring me?
I can't enable mental illness. Like,
bro, you make it worse when you don't answer. It's like a pressure pipe, you know, when there's a lot of pressure building up. That's what's happening, and then once you release the valve, I explode. I splooge.
got it. So you're a gooner.
All right, dude. I only gooner you.
She's emotionally edging me.
I was thinking about buying a plushy pillow. You know, one of those like the body pillows. You think you could send me a body pic?
Please don't do that. Absolutely fucking not.
You can buy my little uwu kitten, bro.
You owe me money for trauma right now, actually. Send me 50 right now.
I'm telling you, when I get monetized, you're getting 50% of the shares. I'm so for real about it. I'm not even lying. Chat, mark my words, clip this. I'm giving her 50% of the revenue when I get monetized. On that one video, though.
Okay.
Oh my god. Why do you look so cute? Like, I just love looking at you. Look at that, bro. You got the nicest eyebrows. Anyone ever tell you that?
It's a fact. Do you ever like imagine my cock?
The fuck? Why do you keep bringing that up? You're literally a girly girl in a BMW. Why do you keep talking about cock? What the fuck?
OMG.
My bad. My bad. Sorry.
Make me bust.
So I heard you're meeting up with Carsolas. What's that about?
All of this embarrassing.
Yeah, I'm cheating on you.
Fuck, man. This chick's always fucking cheating on me with another fucking dude, bro. Hey, be honest. What was your reaction when you first saw me with your shirt on, with a shirt of your picture on it?
I showed my manager at work, and I said I feel unsafe.
What the fuck? Fuck you. On God, you said that? On God?
No.
Doesn't Manny talk about cock a lot?
I bet you
I was
definitely
like, this
said
guy is mentally ill. I was like, why are multiple people on Snapchat right now sending me photos that he made a shirt with my face on it and it says, Shay Lou, I love you. And they're like, what's wrong with him? That's scary.
And I bet they all have streaks too. This chick ended our streak. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, bro.
I don't have streaks with any of them.
Say on God.
On God.
Oh my god, I just want to smooch you on the nose. Oh my god. For telling me the truth. Oh my god, you're so beautiful, Shay. What do I do?
Do I need to cheat on you again?
Dude, bro.
So gay.
No, not again.
How many times do I have to cheat on you before you get over me?
Oh,
Give
Shay.
me a number.
Oh, Shay, baby. I could never get over you. Oh my god. When I look in those eyes, it's like Medusa. I'm stoned. So do you want to like? Do you want to like make it a thing?
Absolutely not.
Why? Come on.
Guys, instead of buying this Shay Lou shirt, just send me money.
No, on photo. Do you think I should make this my merch? Like, this would be fire merch, no? I'm taking this to LA with me. It's going to be on my streams.
Are you dead serious?
I'm being so serious. John, her face, bro. Oh my god. You look so cute. I got you, Shay Lou. Send you 50. Wait, oh, you're mudded.
Shay Lou, he'll send you 50.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you just weren't talking? Oh my god. Bro, so are those like naturally...
I'm just trying to process all of the brain rot going on right now.
What do you mean? What brain rot?
Like, I feel like the more I talk to you, like, I don't know, like my chromosomes are like slowly like burning away.
Dude, what the fuck? You would literally be like paper by the end of that. Oh my god.
I would just be a downy.
Okay, you'd be a downy if you had an extra chromosome. You fuck.
Whatever.
Whatever. Just be my heart. So did you hear Ye's new track?
Yeah, I did. Hail Hitler.
Yeah.
You made me play it on stream.
Why was I imagining that song was playing at our wedding night? And then you just give the salute at the end.
I would cheat on you with Hitler.
Fuck you, you dumb bitch! Sorry. I love you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be aggressive in my heart. I'm so sorry. Just let me fix you, please!
Fix me? You're the one that has issues.
Well, come and fix me!
Absolutely not.
Oh my god, you look beautiful under the sky of night. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Does chat really enjoy this?
Yeah.
Tell him to stop.
Doesn't Mandy talk about cock a lot? What the fuck? Cheating on me still?
Cheating on me still.
Allie, what do you mean? So like, yeah, I mean, so when you coming over?
Never.
No, don't say that!
It's really just like your facial like expression for me.
You like that shit?
No.
I like it when you're mean to me. It just melts my... You know what you remind me of? You remind me of Shigo from Kim Possible.
I feel like you have like a degrading kink.
What the fuck? Why do you keep saying that, bro? Why?
Because you do.
You've never degraded me once, my heart. You only show me your love.
Okay.
All right, that's crazy. All right. Wait, do you know Shigo? Like, who do you identify yourself as? Like, if you were a cartoon?
Probably like Eric Cartman.
The guy? Eric?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you look
Eric
so good in the light. Oh my god, I like those hoop rings. Damn. Oh my... Wait. You look so good. No! Oh. I thought you were moving the camera away. Oh my god, you actually look so good. I'm not even lying, bro. I'm like no glaze shit. Like, why do you look... Damn. Okay, also, how are you a waitress and a waitress and you afford a fucking... How can you afford a fucking BMW?
I'm in the army.
On God? No!
Yeah. I told you this like 8 times. You're fucking slow.
Debbie Beamer? Wait, so...
Oh,
do you get deployed?
No.
Wait, are you in the reserves?
Twins.
Yeah.
Oh, you're in the fucking reserves. Bro, why is every Filipino girl in the fucking reserves, bro? I swear that's a thing.
Why would I be full time? I'm way too pretty for that.
No,
So.
100%
on gosh, you are.
has a
On gosh.
degeneration kink.
I see one press.
gosh.
On gosh. Oh my god, let me see the anyways, holy
Okay,
shit.
I'm leaving. Good night.
No! I love you! No! Fuck! Dude! Shaylu, I love you. I love you, Shaylu. I love you with all my heart. I love you. I will never forget you. I am yours forever until I die. Grown ass man, by the way, shut the fuck up. What do you guys mean by that? What the fuck? Hold on, let me call Jazz. Let me call Jazz. Let me call Jazz. Let me get Jazz back on here. Hey, I'm Filipino, and I'm neither in the reserves nor nurse. That is true, my heart. That is true. Hey, Jazz. Hey. What?
You're such a sim. You're so thirsty.
Dude, what do you mean? You think she likes me?
You need like 12 gallons of water.
On phone him though, I do. W Jazz. W Axel. Do you think that was Riz? You think I have it locked?
No.
No?
No Riz.
No Riz? On God?
No Riz, I see. What was that?
I was trying my hardest. I really was. I
Maybe
really was.
you try your hardest by not wearing it. I love Shaylu.
Why not though?
Because it looks thirsty.
That's your hardest.
That's your hardest. Damn, you're cooked. Oh, GG's chat. Oh my god. Oh, Jasmine. We live and we learn, am I right?
What do I see?
Bro, you know the heart finds its way. The heart always finds its way. She just needs a little time. What? Do you guys want to see my other shirts I was making? So chat, these were the other copies of shirts. I was thinking about making this one. Hold on.
How much did you get the shirt for?
Play the free game Home Alone. Fuck you, random. How much did you get the shirt for? Like, I think 20 bucks. I'm not even lying. Like 20. Front burner, what's up, Gooner? I know, dude. I know, bro. It's GG's, bro. It's GG's. Chat, let's make another. Chat, what do we think of this shirt? Chat, is this a fire shirt? Yo! On the back actually looks sick.
Do it.
Do it? Should I do it? I like the front though, like just a separate shirt. Yo, this is actually kind of hard though, chat. Simp shirt? What do you mean, dude? Like, look at this. Bro, I would totally get that, like, as a separate shirt for the back. What, chat? This is fire. Dada, hey. Hey, Dada, hey.
This is down bad.
What do you mean this is down bad, bro? Chat, this is the one. This is literally my design right here. W design or what?
Did you jerk off with the shirt?
No, I didn't fucking jerk off with the fucking shirt. What the fuck? Oh, let me duplicate this. Chat, let's make some more shit, bro. Hold on. Uploads. Okay. So we got Shaylu. Hold on. I kind of want.
Why is there a cum stain on your shirt?
What cum stain, dude? What do you mean?
I see. Did you know my skin color is white? But
You're
my
white?
dick is black.
I sent you a game on Discord.
I sent you a game.
Oh, you actually did. Oh, Fierce to Fathom. Oh, you weren't joking when you said ho. Dude, we played that game. Chat wasn't fucking with it, unfortunately, random gamer dude. Otherwise, I would play it. Oh my god, bro. I might have to get this one. I'm not gonna lie, chat. Why is she so pretty,
all
though?
over the shirt we know.
The fuck?
Okay.
Shut your goofy eye up. What do you mean?
There's
You
a
guys weren't
reason the
fucking with
shirt
Fierce to
is gonna
Fathom.
be white.
Hold on, chat.
I see. Did you know my skin color is white?
No,
but
I
my
didn't know
dick
he's
is
fucking
black.
white. What the fuck? Oh my god,
Shut your
chat.
goofy up.
Hold on, let's just do waist
A
up.
black one would give it away.
Oh yeah, chat. Wait, hold on. A black one would give it away? What do you mean a black one would give it away? The fuck? Why are we being racist here, chat?
XD is from Africa. Bro, my skin color is white and my dick black.
Chat, is this a W photo? Oh yeah,
Icy, is
dude.
it true you might swear bend that corner woo?
Yo, what the fuck?
I'm not from Africa, bro.
Aren't you from Africa?
I'm from North Africa.
Chat.
North Africa is part of Europe.
Is it really part of Europe? I didn't know that.
Carrot.
Let's group this. How do we group them? And then let's center this. Chat, should we do this? Let's do middle. Nope. Bottom.
North Africa.
Oh, it's already centered.
Separate from rest of Africa.
It's already
They're
centered.
big desert.
Chat, should we
Separate
do
us
it?
from the rest of
Chat,
Africa.
would you guys fuck with this shirt? Be honest. Be honest, chat. Would you guys fuck with this
Roman
shirt?
Empire.
Chat, be honest.
I think you should focus on getting your pumps and other muscles, bro.
What the fuck? Hold on, let me do none, and let me just do the back. Chat, I ain't gonna lie.
XD is Roman.
This is kind of tough, though.
Ed?
L? What do you mean, George? You don't like that shirt? Dude, on the back would go crazy, dude. The streams could see her. This one definitely got to go on the front. I think this one on the back was way better. I'm not gonna lie.
It was Carthaginian Empire.
That one on the back was... This one on the back was way better.
At the Indian.
Boo at the Indian? What do you mean, Cole?
At the random gamer dude.
XD is Roman? Wait, on gosh, XD is Roman? Chat, we need more fire photos, though, of Shay. We need more fire photos of Shay. Hold on, let me pull up Shay photos. Fuck, do I have any more fire ones? I have the bunny ear ones. My golden age? What do you mean, you golden age?
Oh shit, I'm subbed.
You're subbed?
Yes, Tunisia was part of Roman Empire after Carthaginian Empire lost against Roman Empire.
Yo, I think this
And
photo would go
Tunisia
hard,
was part
bro.
of Ottoman Empire too.
Chad, this photo would go so hard, though, on the back.
Fucking
On the back?
It
Yo!
was part of French Empire too.
Chad, that's low-key tough. Chad, that's low-key tough. I ain't gonna lie, Chad, that's actually so
ICS
tough.
Empire too.
Hold on, Chad, we might have to put a heart, though. Chad, we gotta put a heart, because we gotta like tell her that we love her, you know what I mean? Okay, that's okay. We don't want to cover her fucking face. Still do that one. Oh my god, Chad, dude.
Tell her I love her too.
Chad.
Does
You
she
need to
like
tell her I love you
Tunisian
too.
guys?
This is some down bad
This is some
shit.
down bad shit.
What do you mean, dude? What do you mean? You don't fuck with this? Chad, is this down bad? Be honest. I don't take any judgments. Be honest. Chad, is this down bad?
IC is more simp than Random Gamer did.
Wait, Random Gamer Dude's a simp? I do see him on a lot of girls' chats. I will say that. Chad, is this fire?
Bro, I will give you $100 and have fun with Prostitute.
That is crazy.
Bro, join the chat, you gooner.
Bro, I'm making shirts, though. I'm making shirts. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, though. This is tough. Chad, that's actually so tough. Yo. But it's missing something. It's not, it's like, it doesn't mean anything if we don't say I love you, you know what I mean? Like, this one is fun. This one's awesome, bro. I love Shay Lu. It sounds like
Bro, she's so
I
sexy.
loves you, you know what I mean? Bro, she's so
I would
sexy.
smash raw.
Dude, me too, man. Me too, bro. I just know
Hopefully she doesn't.
she smells
break
like
your heart
like strawberries,
and
bro.
leave you for another guy.
I just know she smells like strawberries, like, you know what I mean? Holy bro. Oh my god. Like, how do I know that, dude? Like, how do I know she smells like strawberries, bro? Oh my god. Just look at her, bro.
She smell like someone who will cheat on you and break you are off.
Yeah, she would definitely fucking cheat on you. That is like, bro.
Hard.
No shame. No L shit. Like, she would actually cheat on you.
She's the type to like BBC though.
What the fuck? I don't know about that. That's fucked up. What the fuck?
So you okay with her cheating on you?
No, I'm not fucking okay with anyone cheating on me. What the fuck is wrong with you guys? W poll?
W poll.
Would you buy or is bro wasting this time? Fuck no. Oh my god. Guys, you're not buying this for real? Everyone wanted the merch though. Everyone wanted the merch though. Shaylu is my heart. No, that doesn't sound right.
Fuck, I see.
Shaylu, the wife.
I
Hold
feel like
on.
she's gonna get pregnant from another guy.
The wife.
Lie to you. And
Chat,
even though
yo.
you guys never had sex.
Yo, we're cooking. Hold on, let's change the color though.
DirectorICY touches me is crazy of a name.
Oh gosh, it is though. Chad, we're cooking. Oh, we are so cooking here, chat. I'm not even lying, chat. Wait, hold on. What if we duplicate this? Hold on. Hear me out, chat. Hear me out. Chat, hear me out. Look what I'm about to cook, bro. Put this here, okay? Make this white. Yo, we're cooking. Dude, we are so cooking. Hold on. Hold on, chat. This is cook. We are cooking. The wife. Yo. Chad, this looks like... Dude, this is so Playboy. Chad, this is literally Playboy. Shaylu, the wife.
OMG.
Or do I switch it around? Oh my gosh, stop.
No, stop.
What do you mean stop?
The Riz is too much.
Right? W Riz?
Now this is wild.
What do you mean this is wild? Bro, I'm cooking, no?
Flew into my body.
The fuck?
You gonna send
Simp?
it to her?
Wait, chat, would you guys like Shaylu's name on the bottom or on top?
Up there, I would buy.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. This is so tough.
Your son.
Chad, this is like, bro, this is heat. I ain't gonna lie, Chad. This is like actually heat. Yo, that's so heat. Chad.
Do you even exist? Respectfully, LOL.
What the fuck? Toxic, fuck you, bro. Yeah, she knows I fucking exist.
And you pay child support for the rest of your life.
Oh, damn. Child support? Really? Do we gotta do that? Is that not optional? Chad, that's tough, bro. Yo, Boric, what's up, dude? Locked in? Dude, bro, locked the fuck in, bro.
Child support to a child that is
fuck, you're hot. What's up, Kenny? Bro, Chad, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is tough, bro. There's something... Hold on, let me just check something real quick. Oh, I thought something happened.
Botter in chat. I repeat, botter in chat.
Guys, I know it's a little unusual. He averages 50 viewers every day, but hey, man. He got verification. What's up, Kenny? Child support to a child is not yours. So wait,
what are you trying to achieve out of Gus?
Bro, I'm trying to impress her, bro. I'm trying to impress her. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm not gonna lie though, this is tough. Chat, why is that hard though? Like on some real shit. Like, chat, this is actually tough. The wife Shaylu? Or do we do Shaylu the wife? Chat, what sounds better? Shaylu, wait, hold on, let me duplicate it.
I want to empress her, show her money.
Fuck that, bro, I'm broke.
Brogue in a bikini, please.
In a bikini is crazy.
Does she know you?
Yeah, she knows me, bro. The fuck? What do you mean you need a goon?
Money is the way to impress her.
Money's... You guys are so down bad.
At XD88 facts.
I ain't gonna lie, like, which one looks better, Chad? Like, be honest, which one looks better?
A source is Shaylu has contacted her lawyer and is going through with getting a 5-year restraining order.
Bro, what the fuck? Why are we being weird, Chad? Don't be weird.
Bro, I warned you.
Shaylu the wife, you Indian? That one's fire, right?
Shaylu the wife, you Indian.
Shaylu the wife? Yeah, Shaylu the wife sounds better. Instead of the wife Shaylu? Yeah, Shaylu the wife. I do like that one. That one sounds nicer, bro. Shaylu.
LOL, there's
yeah.
Order.
What do you mean? What the fuck? Alright, this is definitely Milker. Milker, I'll fucking ban you. I'll remove your mod, bro. Milker, if you don't type in your real account right now in the next 5... Tell you what, and what, by 138, if you don't type in my chat in with your Milker account, your mod's getting removed. Your mod's getting removed. Milker, if you do not type in your legit Milker account, I'm not Milker, you dummy.
Milker, you dummy.
If you don't, hey, if you're not really Milker, you're getting your shit removed anyways. I don't give a fuck. This is my main. Bro, Milker, if you do not type at 138 in your Milker account, you're getting fucking banned, bro. You're getting your mod removed. I don't give a fuck. Fuck Milker. Poor Milker. Remove his mod. Bro, this is so Milker, bro.
Remove his mod.
Chad, why is this tough, though? Yeah. We gotta get this one. Yeah, let's delete that. Yeah, bro, this is so good, bro. Chat, why are we like... Yo, we're low-key goated, though, with the designs, though. Oh, let me just double-check this one. I didn't think I like this one. I'm not gonna lie.
Naked on a shirt and trying to goon.
I didn't really like this one. I'm not gonna lie with you, chat.
Buddy.
It's missing. It's missing something. How do I... I love you.
Ask her if she likes boys from Tunisia.
Boys from Tunisia is crazy. What the fuck?
I see him gonna DM you some designs.
Yeah, send me some designs, bro. Send me some designs. Don't dox my name. All right, Milker. I won't dox your name. Okay, this one's kind of hard. This one's kind of hard. This one's actually kind of hard, bro. Why would I buy this? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I would actually like... Yo, that's actually kind of cooked. Yo. Chad, wait. Chad. Yo. That's cooked for real? All right, Milker. Dude. Oh, dude. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. Shit. Hold on, let me duplicate this so we don't lose it. Let's change this to white. Let's get our own font. Cursive.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Like that?
Oh, I can't moan like that? The
I said,
fuck?
do you mind if I send you my semen?
You're weird. What the fuck? Who said that? Chad, did we do We Love Her? Bro. I ain't gonna lie, Chad. Like, this is, like, actually the shit. I might have to buy, like, a couple pairs of these, bro.
Tell her I love you so much.
No, I don't know. I don't. This is too much. I'm not gonna lie. Wait, Mommy Shaylu.
I feel like.
Yo, wait, hold on.
Tell her you are my lover. Mommy Shaylu.
Mommy Shaylu, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. We gotta do Mommy Shaylu.
Tell her you and me are in love.
What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with you? Dude, she's mine. Dude,
I know she's mine.
Wait. Wait, we're fucking
I'm
up
about
here.
to bust aloud to this.
What the fuck? Oh, hell
She's
no.
so hot.
I'll phone him though. She is really hot, bro.
She remind me of my younger self.
What the fuck is wrong with you guys?
I used to look like her.
Actually, you're literally a fucking guy. What the fuck are you talking about? You still look like her. You did not look anywhere near her, bro. Let's turn this to white. Yo. Yo.
I want to finger her so bad.
What the fuck? All right, bro. I'm gonna time you out.
This is crazy.
Don't be weird, bro. Don't be weird. I'll actually time you out. Don't be fucking weird. This is crazy work. Kevlar, have you seen it?
My bad.
You're good, bro.
Bro, the chat reflects the streamer. Brew.
Kevlar, welcome to the streams, bro. We were waiting for you to play horror games. Yeah, bro. It's cooked right now. I ain't gonna lie, twin. I am not gonna lie. Why are you lying? Yeah, this is wild. What do you mean? Look at stream? What do you look at stream? What am I doing, bro? I can't read off that shirt. What do you mean you can't? Oh, it's because it's flipped. But it says, Shaylu, I love you. It says, Shaylu, I love you, bro. Hold on, chat. Let's get the rulers. Hold on. Is it settings? Rulers and guide. Okay, perfect. This is exactly what I was looking for. Exactly what I was looking for. Okay. Center. How did I get that like perfect? What the fuck? That was like almost too perfect. Oh, okay. So it just extends. You know what? We'll just do that then. We'll just go all the way, even if it goes a little over. It's okay. That's actually perfect. And then let's see this. This is page 3. Wait, hold on. We gotta. I don't like this in like that font. We gotta do cursive. We gotta do cursive or something. No, I don't like that either. Why is it so big too? What the fuck? Should not be that big. Shaylu. We gotta do like. Chad, we kind of have to do this like a little cute, you know? You know what I'm talking about? Shaylu. Oh wait, maybe it's because it's all capitalized. Yeah, that's why. AJ, what? Shaylu. That was it. That was it, chat. Period. Oh, yo, why is this art now? Make a shirt of me? Bro, 10 gifted, I'll make a shirt of you. Oh gosh, I will. 10 gifted, I will. Wait, you have a t-shirt press set or something? No, I have a company that I work with. I used to. Chad, do you guys know I used to have a clothing line?
Been trying to tell him.
Chad, do you guys know I used to have my own clothing line? You guys knew about that, right? I used to have my own clothing line. Like no shit. Like I'm not even lying about that. Ajay could tell you guys about that.
I see GDF back in here. We need to have chat, my guy.
We need to have chat. Wait, hold on. I might, mommy. Oh my god, dude. Why is this slapping though, chat? Come to voice chat IC.
Come to voice chat IC.
Yeah, we're deleting that. Okay, so we got the designs. Aura loss. What do you mean aura loss? Bro, these are hard though.
In voice chat.
These are hard though. Hold on.
IC, go to voice chat.
Hold on, chat. Let's
Bro,
what?
I'm in the middle of desert.
Hold on. Let's make one of George. Hold on.
Nobody bought that shit or what?
No, well, it was hard to make sales. It was hard to make sales. I'm not gonna lie. Some people were buying it, but it was just mainly my friends. It was mainly just my friends. So it was kind of tough to do. Oh fuck! It's too pixelated. I couldn't keep up. George. Chat, why would that look sick though? Well, let me Chat, why does that look kind of badass?
Why you have privileged African guy feed on stream?
Wait, hold on. Let me do this one. Yo, that's actually tough. Dude, that's actually tough. But yeah, I got some connect. I still have some connects in the business. I still have some connects in the business. Bro, why is this tough? Yo, George, you know your camera's not on, right?
Bro.
Come to voice, little bro. Bro, should I actually make this? This one's actually kind of fire though. Dude.
If you don't go to voice, I'm gonna.
What do you mean you're gonna? Bro, this is like fire. What the fuck? I'm not gonna lie. This is, yo, George, W idea.
Put jail cell bars.
Put jail cell bars? Wait, hold on. Let me do it to this one. Element. Jail. There we go. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of cooked. That is kind of cooked. Wait, well, let's do wanted. How do you do a wanted poster? Check for DM.
Check it. LMAO.
What the fuck?
That's a W.
What the fuck is this?
Put bars.
What the fuck did you just send me?
Bro, you forget bars.
Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck? Sometimes love looks like this. Bro, what the fuck? Who sent me this? Bro.
Picture.
Finally, Alia is gone. She was
looks like this.
Hey, yo.
Final ally is gone. She was just an eyesore.
Nah, don't. I didn't make this, bro. Someone fucking made this. It wasn't me, bro. What the actual fuck?
That is down bad.
I didn't make, bro. I shit you not.
Shay Lu are perfect.
I'm not even lying, bro. I'm not even lying. I don't even have this guy added as a friend, bro. Who the fuck is this? Bro, like, what the fuck? Bro, what the actual fuck? I don't even know who that is.
My second account.
Your second account is crazy. W, I'm sending it to her. Oh my god, bro.
Nah, this is crazy.
Bro, why did they make me look fat, bro? What the fuck? I don't even look anything like this guy. What the fuck? Low-key, Shayla was kind of accurate, though. I ain't gonna lie, like...
I would jerk off to
Yo, we actually look good together, though. Like, for real, though. We actually look good together,
insane.
chat. Chat, I'm not even lying. We actually look good together.
That will look like you when you come back from law.
Chat, we actually look good together. Look at that, bro. They got our eyes, bro. Also, how did you even get this, bro? I need this, bro. I need this.